Hi everyone, welcome to Live at Chennai. This is Mr. Nivas. This is part 2 video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to color Angelina Jolie with a color pencil. This video is just a timeless video with a voiceover. I have given brief details on how to blend the colors and how to mix the colors with particular part. And also, this is very useful for the beginners. And the pencil which I used for this video is Domes, that is made in India and very cheap and best. If you want to buy this pencil, I'll give the links details in the description. Okay, you can check and you can go through that. And one more thing, the part 1 video is also available in the list. If you want to go through the part 1, I'll give the links details in the description box. You can go through the part 1 also. Part 1 was about how to transfer the drawing from image to the paper, so that will also be very useful for the beginners to try to learn about how to start and finish the drawing. Okay, so the part 2 is about just coloring, so it will be very useful for the beginners, as I already said. Okay, now let's go to the drawing. Hi. Okay, this is the image which I'm going to color now. So you would have seen this image in the part 1. Okay, reference image on the mobile phone you can see. So now simply zooming the image for more detail. Okay, so this is the black pencil which I am going to use for the hair area. So hair is not exactly a black one, because that is brownie effect also, so that I'm using a black pencil directly on the hair first. I just want to the same contrast of the black, so that I'm using directly. Sometimes the colors which is more dominant you can use directly. If you use them on one color which is already painted, you cannot get the exact feel of the colors. Okay, so that sometimes apply the colors directly. So after this I'll be using blue on particular area, then orange pencil. So the orange pencil and brown will bring up the brown air feel. So I'll be doing a lot of improvement in this color part. Okay, sometimes we would have made some mistakes in the drawing part. In this part I'll be correcting all this, and I'll be improving a lot. For eyelashes and eyelid, as usual, the black. So I'm coming from dark and blue, then brown pencil. Finally you can blend with some skin tone. So this brown pencil is starting from dark. So after the brown pencil, orange or pink color. So following that, you can overcoat on the brown color with the orange. See, so after orange color, some pink color or tint, flesh tint. You can use flesh tint and blend with that. So this is the way. See, always coming from dark to light, you can directly start from the dark, but you should not apply more and should not give solid on the dark area. So light way of application is very important, so that the next colors whatever you apply over on, it will blend with that. Otherwise the first color which you already applied will not blend and it will be dominating the light colors. Okay, now you see the volume of the nose. So lights, just simply the technique is you first apply some dark, and on that you can apply the next light color. So on the light you can apply another light color. So the way you can go from dark to light. Sometimes you want to reduce the saturation, you can use gray pencil. Gray color pencil also available in this box. This is just a 24 shades, but anyway try to mix the colors and blend the colors with this 24 shades. That's it's a tough thing, but anyway try to give our best with this pencil whatever we available. Lips also coming from dark to light. First I used red color on some dark area and purple and brown on the lips point, and then the middle area I used red color pencils as a dark, and then I used pink and the flush tint on lighting area. The simple concept again I'm telling, you should come from dark, blend, first start a dark color, next lighter color, and then the most lighter. It can be a flush tint or the highly light color of the particular part. Okay, so this is not actually easy thing to bring the result in the first try itself. You should do more and more portrait in a color pencil, and this is a huge process. You have to apply colors layer by layer, so that it eats a lot of time. Normal pencils we can do with a single stroke, or we can make some blendings with blending sticks or some special tools, but here this pencil is a wax bond, so it's a wax bound pencil, so that the pigment will not easily blend up with any kind of blending stick, so that you should have the pressure control in the finger. Wherever you want some soft feel, you should use the pressure less to bring up. See how it does blending up, and see the dimension of the lips. It brings up the 3D feel when you are blending properly with the correct tone values. So one side of the face is over, so next the other side. Always we need to come from left side. the simple thing we can avoid smudging. See here also I'm coming from dark, like brown pencil. So dark in the sense it's based on the face color or the subject color. The dark may be a brown color or even black color or red color or green. It's based on the subject. Some faces will be lighter tone and some faces will be dark skin. So according to that you have to choose the pencil, okay, so that you can make the blending based on the skin tone. But the concept is always same. You should come from the dark to light. You can overcoat on the dark. And one more thing, paper also very important, playing the important role. Paper is very important. It is the only thing which gives the textures and soft feels on the portrait. So always be careful on choosing the paper. Sometimes soft paper will be good, and sometimes textured which has more grain also will be good, but it's based on the subject. Now I have bought Strathmore paper that is very costly. Each paper A4 size and A3 size cost 150 rupees, but I don't want to go experiment on this for the YouTube channel, but I just wanted to use them for commercial work. This Tom's pencil is good on the result, but I am not sure about for commercial work. See, this is eyelash used black pencil directly, and for the eyes gray. So most of the people have asked me why you are always finishing the eye in the last minute. That's a simple thing. I just want to keep you watching. Okay, so it is to give some surprise on the last minute, and also it makes excitement to make you wait. So see, the right side hair has no brown tone since the light comes from the left side. So the right side hair has no more brown color. So let me finish up with a black pencil. It's a happy thing when you are doing the freehand sketch and bringing the portrait as alive and more realistic. That is a great pleasure, and that is the most pleasant moment you cannot buy with any price. It's a priceless moment. But anyway, it's hard work. We need to erase and we need to improve. We need to keep on working on some mistake area. That's a big process. Anyway, it gives more satisfaction when you complete the portrait. Okay, so on the right side, see, only in the down part there is a brown tone, so I use brown tone and orange on only on the lower part. It's a costume, I mean this kind of coat, I mean it can be a sweater, so we don't need to go through more detail on the dress, and also it's a less work on the costume. Sometimes we need to spend more and more time on making the costume, because
Some costumes has more designs and more wrinkles to work on, but here in this picture I don't need to work more because it is just a black color coat, I mean black color jacket. So after this let me go little closer to finish up the drawing and finish up the eyes. So just blending and erasing. So pupil in the black color. So after this we need to give highlight. So for the highlight I used white color pen. White color pen I used for highlighting the eyeball. Okay. So it's a final stage. I hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. You're in the last minute. So I have made a lot of improvement after the eye. So okay.